Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Yes, you might need to see a doctor after a bird scratch if the scratch breaks the skin. Birds can carry bacteria like Pasteurella spp, which can cause infection. Watch the scratch for signs of infection such as redness, swelling, warmth, and pus. Seek medical advice if any of these symptoms appear. Cleaning the wound with soap and water and applying an over-the-counter antibiotic ointment as soon as the scratch occurs can help prevent infection.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.